Yep, that's it. So anyway, the light above my sink, it won't turn on anymore. I switched out bulbs. That's not the problem. It's the switch. So today I'm going to show you how to change it out safely. We'll go through the motions. We'll take the plate off. We'll pull it out, disconnect it, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First things first, let's turn off the breaker. Breaker box. We've got kitchen light, kitchen plug. Let's kill this plug and see what happens. Alright, so here we are, we're back here. It's not glowing, obviously. So when I do hit this switch, it controls these outlets. That's what this switch does. I suggest anybody ever working with electricity should own a volt sensor. So anyway, we can go like this, and nothing. We push this button in like that, and it reads it. That's in the on position. Nothing. Nothing around here. But right here, that's the switch we're going to be working with. Alright, so this is good. Like I said, obviously we're going to have two different sources of electricity coming in to where we're working. So that's good that we've got the one plug, or the one switch that runs the plug. We got that off. Now we got to go like this and find out. Now here's the kitchen light. That's the big light in the center. But anyway, I looked here and I found it. Now you can barely read it. Kitchen sink. So turn that off. Dude, we should be all set now. Alright, let's see. So we are good all the way around. Now we can go ahead and take the screws out, pull the plate off. I'm going to be able to do this job with just some flathead screwdrivers. I'm going to go ahead and try to knock this out a little quicker with a drill. Alright, here's our switch. Pull it out like that. Just like this. Okay? Since this has got electrical tape around it, I'm going to get the tape off and we'll take a better look. Alright, now that we're all free, we can bring you in a little closer. So we'll just go ahead and loosen these up and take these off. Just like that. Okay, Rob, what happens if you switch the wires? Well, the only thing that would happen is the switch would work opposite. So this may be off in the down position, or vice versa. See if you see that. That says top right here. So before, when you turned it on, you turn it on like that. Well, if you switch the wires around, on would be in the downward position and this would be in the off position if you switch these two wires around. That's the only thing that would happen or change. But something did change. I hooked the switch back up, turned the breaker back on, checked to make sure I had power, okay, and then this happened. Oh, what the hell? Dude, it is not working. Anyway, that's how you change out a switch.
Dude, it looks burnt up there.
I'm gonna have to further investigate this. This is not good. Actually, this is really not good. So at the moment, I was not happy at all. I just figured I was replacing a switch, hit the switch, be done with it. But no, it evolved into more than that. And you might want to consider watching the rest of the video and see how I troubleshooted it.
Dude, it looks burnt up there, doesn't it? No way. I'm gonna have to get 2 screws. I'm gonna pull this thing down.
See what I'm looking at. I mean, it should work. I just thought the switch was bad. Oh gosh. Look at this freaking disaster. Wow. This thing, dude, this thing's bad. This thing's garbage. I mean, these wires, they're solid. They're nice and solid, but then you get to this, and they got this tape job, and wow. So I took all the old electrical tape off here, got this down, basically just broke it out of this assembly here. Take a look. The wiring is pretty bad. There could be a bad connection here. I'm going to try to find a new one of these or just get a whole new fixture. See what I can do. Alright, I went to Home Depot and I picked this up. Looking like the same size, just a different type of globe. And the killer thing about it is I got it for $7.08. Sweet. Huh? Sometimes things work out for a reason. So let's get into this and install it. Man, this is perfect. This is the same exact application that came out. Here's the new one. Look at there. It even clips in the same way. See that? How it clips in? Cool, man. This should be painless. Alright, I am using the new bracket for this, but I am going to use the old hardware that was on here, the screws. So basically what I did is I took the ground, I wrapped it around a few times, got it tightened down, got my hot wire going through here, my neutral going through here. Then I'll hook up both wires up at the top and then get this thing mounted. Here I just simply put the wires together just next to each other and spin the wire nut around to tighten it up. And then before I mounted it all the way up, I did take a little electrical tape and put it on the bottom of the wire nut and the wires. All right, before I assemble everything together, I'm going to go hit that breaker, put a bulb in, and see if it works. Oh, yes. Sweet. Cool, it worked. Consider being a subscriber.